everyone, today Gym Hacks presents only the most proven sure ways to remove blackheads. As you probably know, they can appear on your nose, cheeks, chin and even around the lips. These sure ways will help to everyone who have such kind of problem. A huge plus of these masks is that you have all these ingredients in your home, so just try, I'm sure it will help. For the procedure, you need to steam out your face. Pour the water into the pan, let it boil. After, hold your face above the steam about 10 minutes. Method you can use every day. Take egg yolk and 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix these two ingredients, then apply it to your face. After, wash your face with warm water. The result I saw after using this mask 2-3 times. This mask actually works. I recommend it and give 9 out of 10. With this method, you can remove your blackheads in 5-10 minutes, but also you can leave the mask overnight for best results. We only need Vaseline and plastic wrap. Apply generous amount of Vaseline on your nose and lower it. Saran wrap will keep the moisture in and soften your pores. After, use Q-tips to gently press out blackheads, whiteheads and dirt. Pores are extremely clean of dirt and debris after extraction. As for me, it's the best way. You must try this. The result will shock you. I give 10 out of 10. Mask with toothpaste and soda really effective and safe. Just remember that the paste should be white and don't have whitening effect. Mix the paste and soda, then very gently scrub your blackhead areas with the head of your toothbrush in a circular motion. After procedure, apply moisturizing cream. This method actually works. I recommend to do this 3 times a month. What helps you to clean your face from blackheads? Share your opinions and advice in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. It means a lot. Thank you.